Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Excuse me, I'll go next. Door's messed up.
Thank you.
You're cooling off? Can I come in real quick? Woo. How much power are you running on this now?
It's still 670, 600.
Six? Okay.
Yeah, I think it's like 2,500 watts per song.
Okay.
Just ready to climb out.
All right.
It's DJ Rusticles. Going hard like a mellow. Playing with them blacks like the Tumbo. Send my money to the shack. Oh y'all mean everything I do it for my team. Jump straight in the red king on the public. Jump straight in the rap game, ballin' hard like Irvin. Schooling all these young niggas like I'm Kobe. Y'all mean everything I do it for my team. Jump straight in the, jump straight in the, jump straight in the rap game. Going hard, ain't it? Going hard, ain't it?
So where it drops down at,
Yeah.
rip from there all the way back up underneath the wall.
You're that loud now. Oh, man.
Both the doors are completely ripped. When you open it up and you look at the back side of them, they're both of them are completely ripped.
Man. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.